Hello, everyone. As the examination is approaching very fast, so I'm quite sure that many of you are preparing for the competitive examination. So, from that particular perspective, I have prepared yet another interesting video for you. And I'm quite sure that at the end of the session, you will be definitely benefited by those contents that I'm going to deliver right now. Many of you are preparing for the examination like NQT, your TCS Ignite, WILP, your CAT, MAT. But there is a common segment and that is verbal ability, right? And if we talk about the verbal ability section, वहाँ पे spotting error के अलावा और ऐसा कई sections है, those sections are really important. So you need to have solid preparation. Look, the thing is that if you're just only thinking to crack the examination, it's not sufficient because you need to have a good preparation level as well. Particularly if I'm talking about the verbal ability section, the students are continuously complaining, sir, कुछ segment ऐसा है जिसमें आसानी से हम लोग बना नहीं पाते हैं. ऐसे ही कुछ segment के नाम है sentence improvement. So my dear students, I'm Nilanjan Bose, the professor of CIMAGE College. Right now, I'm going to give you a few questions. I'm going to provide you a few questions and we'll be practicing and I will let you know that what are the tricks by which you can solve those kind of questions. Now, first of all, let me talk about what is the importance of sentence improvement. आखिर ये होता क्या है, क्यों ये problem create करता है? Look, sentence improvement basically focuses on the grammatically correct. If I talk about the correct grammatically structured sentences, correct होना चाहिए. अब basically when you were talking about some topic या और कोई sentence को आप लिखते हो, वहां पे आपको grammatical mistakes हो जाती है. So sentence improvement is focusing on those kind of things because you need to produce the grammatically correct sentences. Otherwise, if you are writing the incorrect sentences, it will convey different kind of message. Its meaning will be completely changed. So from that perspective, the examiner wants the student that yes, you need to rectify the sentence. Actually, you need to identify that in which portion it needs improvement. दैट इज ऑल अबाउट सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट. तो आज का इस वीडियो में हम लोग कुछ क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करेंगे और उसके जरिए आपको बताएंगे कि कैसे इसका आंसर किया जाए. सो विदाउट वेस्टिंग टाइम, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड टुडेज सेशन. Just watch it out till the last question so that you will have fair idea that how to go through all these questions. So here comes the first question. If I go through the question, I'm finding that the interesting tale had its beginning more than 50 years ago. क्वेश्चन का मीनिंग को समझने की आप कोशिश करें. द इंटरेस्टिंग टेल मतलब एक ऐसा इंटरेस्टिंग कहानी है. हैड इट्स बिगिनिंग मोर देन 50 ईयर्स एगो, आज से 50 ईयर्स पहले इस टेल को बनाया गया, इंटरेस्टिंग टेल को, राइट. नाउ इफ यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द रिमोट पास्ट, यहाँ पे अंडरलाइन वर्ड कौन सा है? हैड इट्स बिगिनिंग. So you need to decide whether it is going to improve, it is going to be improved or not, whether any improvement is required or not. If you find that no improvement is needed, then you should go for option D. Otherwise, you have to think it out. अब देखिए 50 इयर्स पहले की बात है. 50 इयर्स बहुत पहले एक रिमोट टाइम पीरियड को डेफिनेट कर रहे हैं, इसीलिए इसको इंडिकेट कर रहे हैं. इसीलिए आपका ये हैड इट्स बिगिनिंग विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय बिगैन. As you all know that the V2 or the past form of begin is began, and if it is used in the case of remote past, 50 साल पहले की बात हो रही है, of course it should be remote past, simple past tense. So the correct answer will be option C, and it means, and the sentence will be, the interesting tale began more than 50 years, right? Fine. Let us move to question number 2. चलिए हम लोग इसको ध्यान देते हैं, क्या क्वेश्चन है. So here comes question number 2. What is that? The autumn season of Parliament will begin on Monday. नाउ पार्लियामेंट में आप लोगों को आइडिया है कि पार्लियामेंट में कोई पर्टिकुलर सेशन होता है, वहां पे सीजन नहीं होता है. सीजन होता है जब जैसे हम लोग रेनी सीजन, समर सीजन, विंटर सीजन बोलते हैं, तो पार्लियामेंट में सीजन कैसे होगा? पार्लियामेंट में सेशन होता है ना. तो द ऑटम सीजन ऑफ पार्लियामेंट विल बिगिन ऑन मंडे. यहाँ पे सीजन वर्ड जो अंडरलाइंड है, इट विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय सेशन. एक्चुअली इट इज अ वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. यू कैन इजीली टैकल दिस क्वेश्चन. First one session, second one mission, and next one session, and last one no improvement. So your correct answer will be, of course, option C, because we are talking about parliament session, right? Now let us move to question number 3. चलिए हम लोग जान लेते हैं question number 3 में क्या है. Now if I go through the question number 3, we did not see this movie yet. let me tell you one thing, that in this particular sentence there is a word like yet. Last word पे आप ध्यान दीजिए, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है yet, Y-A-T. So whenever you find a word like yet, yet, just in a particular sentence, it should be always to be presented in present perfect form, right? So the correct answer will be, we have not seen this movie yet. Because only one word is going to be the deciding factor, and that is yet. In this particular sentence, the last word is yet. So, of course, your answer will be option A. We have not seen this movie yet. Why? Because I have already shared these tricks with you, that if you find the words like just, yeah, yet in a particular sentence, of course, it should be 100% cases, it should be presented in present perfect tense. So, going through the option, in option A, it is written have not seen, and that should be the correct answer. So question number 3, answer option A. Let us move to question number 4. Here, question number 4, it is written that sincere workers do not rest till they have reached perfection in their work. अब देखिए यहाँ पे क्या मामला है, sincere workers do not rest till they have reached perfection in their work. I don't find any kind of error in this particular sentence, no improvement required actually. क्योंकि यहाँ पे बताया गया कि जो sincere workers है वो लोग रेस्ट नहीं किए till they have reached the perfection in their work, जब तक उन लोगों को काम में perfection ना आए, right? So first option, it is written that they had achieved. So it's not talking about the past one. Second one, they having reached, it's grammatically incorrect. Next one, they reached, it's absolutely wrong. And last one, no improvement. Yeah, that should be the correct answer, no improvement. Because already it is correct. Sincere workers do not rest till they have reached perfection in their work. It's absolutely correct. So in that case, the correct answer will be option D, and that is no improvement is required. Right? Now let us move to question number 5. Let me tell you that what is the question and what should be the answer. The question is that Rajesh's ability to use the local language surprised me. अब देखिए यहाँ पे राजेश का जो एबिलिटी है, राजेश इज अ पर्सन, उनका जो एबिलिटी है टू यूज द लोकल लैंग्वेज, इट सरप्राइज मी. दैट इज द क्वेश्चन एंड द अंडरलाइन पार्ट इज एबिलिटी टू यूज. So if I go to the option, I am finding that first option, confidence with, या familiarity with, या knowing of, या no improvement. इस केस में आप क्या करोगे? राजेश एबिलिटी टू यूज द लोकल लैंग्वेज सरप्राइज मी. यहाँ पे राजेश का एबिलिटी के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, टू यूज द लोकल, familiarity with the local language, it can be there. So correct answer will be option B, because Rajesh's knowing of the local language, it's absolutely wrong. Rajesh's confidence with the local language, no, it is not correct. And Rajesh's familiarity with the local language surprise me. जो local language के साथ उनका परिचिति है, ये बहुत ही surprise करने वाला है. So the correct answer will be option B, right? Now let us move to question number 6. So the question is that IT experts may have to stop hunting for better job opportunities, as these are not so easily available now. Now, if I go through the question, the underlying portion is may have to stop hunting, right? So IT experts may have to stop hunting for better job opportunities, as these are not so easily available now. Going through the option, first option, it is written must have been hunting. Second one, may be stopping the hunting, it's wrong. Should have to stop hunt, it's grammatically incorrect. Might have to stop hunting, no, not necessary, because may or might में difference आपको समझना होगा. And the last one, no correction required. So in this particular sentence, it is written that IT experts may have to stop hunting. It's talking about the possibility. हो सकता है उन लोगों को hunting को stop करना पड़े. So if you were talking about the possibility, then definitely your correct answer will be, of course, no correction required, because it's absolutely correct. IT experts may have to stop hunting for better job opportunities, as these are not so easily available now. It's absolutely correct. So there is no correction which is required here, no improvement which is required. So you will go for option E. Now let us talk about the last question of today's session, so that you will be pretty sure that what should be the approach of yours while you are going to tackle those kind of questions. So let us talk about question number 7. Now, in this particular question, it is written that they only work when they have no money. So here, the phrase which is needed to be improved, that is only work when. Now, अगर question को आप देखो गौर से, they only work when they have no money, right? So when they have no money, they only work, first option. Second one, they only work. Third one, work only when. And last option, no improvement. They only work when they have no money. वो लोग तभी काम करते हैं जब उन लोग के पास पैसा नहीं रहते हैं. So here the correct answer will be no improvement. या यहाँ पे आप ऐसा करो, they work only when they have no money. यहाँ no improvement नहीं, of course यहाँ पे improvement की आवश्यकता है, right? You have understood that. They work only when they have no money. वो लोग तभी काम करते हैं जब उन लोग के पास पैसा नहीं होता है. तो of course you are going to emphasize the word like work. They work only, after the subject it comes work. They work only when they have no money. So in that case your correct answer will be option C. They work only when they have no money. So, my dear students, I have tried to give my level best to all of you regarding these kind of questions which are related to sentence improvement. And you have got some fair idea that what should be your approach, कैसे हम लोग सजाते हैं. You should not be depending on the meaning of the words. Rather, you should go through the sentence. You will get a clarity about it and contextual meaning को समझने की आप कोशिश करें. और grammatical application में आप फोकस करो, क्योंकि सेंटेंस इंप्रूवमेंट इज ऑल अबाउट grammatical application, in not incorrect usage, rather correct usage of words and their meaning, right? So I'm quite sure that all of you have understood my approach, then what should be your approach actually while you are going to tackle all these kind of questions in the competitive examinations. So I just want to say thank you so much for patiently listening to the video. And in the coming time, I'll be presenting more interesting videos, which will be really beneficial from the perspective of competitive examination. And just one suggestion from my end, that keep on practicing number of questions regarding this particular section, so that you will just come off with flying colors in the competitive examination like NQT, your TCS, your CAT, MAT, whatever you are going to appear for. That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.